So guys, tell me if Portmore Pines ever Portmore Pines, Jamaica never did have so much traffic. People that live in Portmore. Portmore Pines ever have traffic. Let me tell you, traffic. I always do the on TikTok and I'm something. I'm not really clear. Because who cares about TikTok when they can upload shorts without even having an account? Bruh. And this is my account because I already paid an account. But, so you know, I'm in Portmore Villa. Just know that. And Portmore Pines, Jamaica is full of traffic. Ever. I'm not telling you, them full of traffic. Them full of traffic. But this reach up at Portmore Villa today was literally from yesterday I come here. 6 hours it takes. 6 literal hours. I left out from 10 o'clock. I'm gonna reach 6 o'clock. And what? Then people are antsy. Kill it, move. Kill it, can excuse? Kill it. Can go right there over the cars? To get more.
To get more.